If you're on this channel, possibly you want to know how to build a professional or directory website using AI, and I'm going to show you the websites that I built for top SEO. No plugins, no coding. There is only AI. AI built the entire website. Let's take a journey on the website and let's see how the website looks like. And these are the cards built by AI. And you may be wondering, what kind of AI did I use to build this website? Of course, I use one of the best, that is Cloud 3.7. So Cloud 3.7 built this entire website using AI. First of all, let me show you the features of this directory website before we dive into the characteristics, the internal linking, and everything about the website and the pages that we have. So now I'm scrolling down to show you how this website looks like. And this is a very professional website without any doubt, if it's only built using AI. Some of the features, we have a lot of call to actions, launch your project with expert assistance, call to actions, and we have testimonials. And down here we have our nice call to action with a form. Now let's scroll back to the top and see some of the characteristics and how this website is designed. I designed this website, and there is for now there is for marketing, so most of the categories are for marketing, but I'm hoping to expand the categories to cover different niche as well. Even though it's very good sometimes when you niche down, but the performance of the website is promising, so I just want to see how far it goes before I decide to change it. These are some of the cards. We have SEO, social media, content marketing, PPC, digital marketing, link building, analytics, and web design. So let's click on SEO and see what's going to happen. We click on the button for SEO, and it's going to take us to best SEO companies in the UK by location. So, and the URL is UK cities SEO companies. So this is like a mother page for all the SEO companies in the UK. Let me go back to the home page and show you something. The home page is carrying just one card for SEO services, but once you click on the button, it's going to take you to the mother page that is carrying all the city pages for SEO company. And here when we scroll down, we have a search, and under the search we have all the series, the SEO companies for all the series, London SEO companies. So that is how we're going to scroll down to see we have Liverpool, Birmingham, Glasgow. These are all the series companies within the UK. So I created all the cards for all the UK series. And here we have embedded map for United Kingdom. Now let's scroll back to the top and select a series and see what is going to happen. We can use the search. Let's search for Liverpool. So let's search for different series like Belfast, Easter. So let's search for Oxford, and let's search for Birmingham. So once you start typing, it's going to show you the series. And this page is the mother page, like I said. So once we click, let's click on Manchester, find Manchester SEO expert. Once we click on the button, it's going to take us to Manchester city page. So here we have top SEO companies in Manchester. I hope you get the strategy. And this is a very professional internal link building strategy. And so all the pages are going to be linked together to each other. So that is how I build this website. Now let's scroll down to see best SEO companies in Manchester City. Popular areas, Greater Manchester City. So that means this page has the potential to rank for all the small series within Manchester. And here we have a tool, because once you land on this page, you are not going to see list of the companies. Like most of the directory websites, you select SEO companies in Manchester, boom, it gives you all the list at once. What type of SEO are you looking for? Once you click on it, you are going to be provided with options where you can select local SEO, international SEO, e-commerce, small business, enterprise SEO, technical SEO, content SEO, and for photographers, SEO for lawyers, SEO for healthcare, SEO for restaurant, SEO for real estate, SEO for hospitality. And let me tell you one strategy about this is that this Manchester City page is going to rank for all these keywords. When someone search international SEO companies in Manchester, there's a possibility that this page is going to appear. If someone search small business SEO in Manchester or maybe let's say they didn't use the city, the Manchester, they live in Bolton. So if someone search for, let's say, technical SEO companies in Bolton, the page is still gonna appear. What type of SEO are you looking for? I select technical SEO. What is your business goal? It's going to provide me with options. Increase website traffic, your location in Manchester, Salford, monthly budget. So I'm going to select under 500 and search. It's going to search for it and provide me with list of the companies. So we have here rank higher SEO. They have, this is the description for the SEO, and core specialties. They do local SEO, small business content, and SEO auditing. And they have 2 client testimonial. And here we have contact agency. What I'm going to do is the button contact agency is going to be a pop-up form. So once you click on the pop-up form, it's going to give you a contact form. You fill out the form, we get the list automatically, or we forward the list to the right company for them to contact you. If this company belongs to you, rank higher SEO company, you come here and click claim listing. You're going to have a pop-up form for claim listing. Once you fill this form, we're going to contact you to get more information about you and make sure that the right information is written on this page. So that is the strategy. Now let's scroll down. We also have Rochtal Search Specialist. The same characteristics, the same information, the same details. And here we have call to action in between. So how many companies do we have? We have 1, 2, 3. So after the third company, we have call to action. Want a free SEO audit for a specialist agency. Get personalized insight on how to improve your website search visibility and performance. Contact specialist. Once you click this, you're going to be provided with a form. I'm now going to build all this form because the website is still under development. I'm just showing you how I build this website. So when you click on contact a specialist, you're going to have a form that you're going to fill out, and we're going to get back to you, or the company is going to get back to you. So when we scroll down, these are the companies that we have. A lot of companies are listed in Manchester based on the search. Let me show you again the tool, how the tool functions. You can select international SEO, e-commerce, whatever you can select. When you click on a city, it will appear automatically. I'm going to click Manchester City Center. It will appear automatically. I'm going to select Wilmslow. It's going to appear automatically before you click on the search. So that is how I was able to build this website based on the special prompt that I give the AI, because it's not so easy to come with such a professional page and such a professional tool with all this content that is built with AI. You have to be a special prompt engineer. You have to know what you are doing. You have to know how to give the prompt, and it's a very long prompt that I'm able to share with you, so you can use it to build something similar for your directory website. So now I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and let's see. So we have this nicely designed widget and also a guide or an article below it. So down the article, a very nice professional article to help the page rank on Google in Manchester for SEO agencies terms. And we have an embedded map for Manchester. Now here we also have a lot of cards for different series. Liverpool is going to take us to Liverpool page, best SEO companies in Liverpool. This is the nice hero, and this is the another tool for Liverpool. You are not going to see any list of companies until you do the search. And by doing the search, it's like you are searching for exactly what you are looking for. That is why I built this tool, to show you exactly the companies that are able to perform the task that you need. So when you select one series, Anfield, it's going to appear here. It's searching and show us the list of the companies. But we can edit or change our search. Let's take healthcare SEO. Location within Liverpool, we select Crosby. And what is your business goal? Let's see, fix technical SEO issues, find SEO. It's going to search and give us exactly the company that can help us with our project. So here we have Ignite SEO, location is Liverpool, founded year to 2014, team size 5 to 10, price range is not listed because I don't know how much they charge. But here I have the description for the company, specialties, and let me show you something. These specialties are also linked to the search. Okay, that is how I made it. So once this search is going to pop up. And here we have a lot of call to actions, and we also have client testimony. So each company has also the name of the company if it is premium, and we have the location, the year founded, the description, the specialties, and testimonials. And here we have 3 call to actions. Contact company. Once you click on contact company, it's going to give you a pop-up form. You fill the form, we get the list. Request a callback. It's going to give you a request callback form. You fill the form, we get the list. Send a project. You fill the form, we get the list. We can forward the list to the right company, or have the company contact you. And here we have to be contacted by specialist SE. When you select yes, we have call to action. When you select no, the call to action is gone. Very professionally built. So once you click on it, it's going to provide you with a pop-up contact form. I'm now going to build all these forms, but it's very easy. I'm going to do it within a couple of minutes, or even if at all, and that is going to be built using AI. So let me scroll down to see, and here at the end of it, we also have call to action like the other one, and going to show us with a call button, and we have a nicely built article. This is very professionally built article that is about Liverpool SEO, to help us, or to help the page rank SEO services. And here we have FAQ. It's going to show, when you click on the plus, it's going to show you the answer. How much should my Liverpool business budget for SEO services? You click on it, your SEO budget, blah blah blah, between 1,000 to 1,500. So that is how it is. And down the page we have this nice widget, and also embedded map for Liverpool. So this is how I build this professional directory website. One thing you notice about this website is that I'm not using a plugin. And if you are building a directory website, it's very, very important to make sure that most of your pages are static pages, because the static pages are the pages that are going to rank when someone makes a search on Google. But if you are not using static pages and you are using category pages, it's going to provide you with a lot of companies listed on it. And sometimes it confuses the search engines to know how to rank these websites or these category pages. But these are static pages. So let me go back to the home page to show you something. Okay, so this is the home page. All right, this is the home page, and we have a lot of services: social media, content, analytics, link building, digital marketing, web design. If you go to SEO, it's going to the mother page where it hosts all the SEO companies. When you select one, let's select leads SEO companies. You select one, it's going to show you the leads company. You have a tool under the page, under the hero, and the tool is going to help you to make your search: international SEO, get more leads, location. You select your location and click on search, and it's going to provide us with the company list with a lot of call to actions. And here another call to actions. Yes, it's going to come with a button, and down it we have a very nice written article below it. So this is how I'm able to create this professional directory website. Anybody can build this website, but you need to be very professional in prompting. That is how I use my prompt strategy to come up with this kind of directory website. And it's not only going to be for marketing. You can use this strategy to build any kind of directories. You can change the pictures, change the information, change everything on this page. If you're an electrician, if you want to build a directory for dogs, if you want to build a directory for cars, for mechanics, it doesn't matter your niche, you can use this strategy to build a very professional directory website with no plugins. And it's not complicated. It's very, very simple, and yet very, very professional. I also built some pages for web design. So let's see web design. I click on web design. It's going to take us to the mother page for web design, where we have list of all the web design companies in the UK. we have all the series. So web design companies in Edinburgh. I'm going to change this color here. These are for web design. This is not SEO. The other one we looked before is SEO, but this one is web design. What type of web design are you looking for? So it's going to be e-commerce, corporate, portfolio, blog, landing page, responsive, WordPress, CMS, mobile first, brochure sites. So let's select, let's say landing page. What is your minimal goal? What is your primary goal? So it's going to be, let's say, generate leads, because landing page is mostly for lead generation. And the location, let's select Bransfield. Budget range under 1,000. Find companies. It's going to search and give us list of the companies. Here we have only one. And we have the call to actions, buttons for the company. And here it has also the reviews and the key specialists, the descriptions of the company, and a testimonial with also call to actions for that company. So mostly what's happening is that all these call to actions, I'm going to make it in such a way that the leads go direct to the company. But if you are building a directory website like this for lead generation, this is a very professional strategy that you can use to get your leads for your company. And down it, we also have a very nice article for web design. Let me show you how this article looks like, with a nice cards, a very professional table and listicles. Scroll down, we have conclusion and we have call to action. So there is how the website is like. And down it, we also have these cards for the mother page for web design. And the reason is to build a very professional internal linking. That is why I have this for all the pages. And we scroll down, we have the widgets very nicely designed, and we also have embedded map. Now let me go back to the home page. So this is one of the professional AI built directory websites that I don't see it. Most of the directory website that I see on the internet is being built using plugins, and they are not static. To build static pages is also going to take time, because you need to build static pages for all the series pages. And one thing about static pages is that once you build a static page, you have to make sure the category listings appear on the static page. If the category listing don't appear on the static page, time, because someone is going to land on your page for SEO companies in Liverpool, but they are not going to find list of the companies, and they have to go to a different category page for them to find the companies on the page. But with this one, it's everything is combined. You click on it. Let me show you something. Okay. So let's select London like this. This is a static page. With this type of directory that I built using AI is something different. Find SEO companies in London. The type you are looking for, this page can rank for all these terms here. You select here, generate more leads, Central London, and click on the search button, and it's going to provide you with the list of the companies. So I'm going to do another video to show you step by step how I built this website. And this is a strategy, a business that you can use to start your own online business, to make a side hustle. Because if you are having this website, you can monetize it in so many different ways. Companies gonna contact you to get listed. You can also sell the leads, and you can use some of the leads for your own agency. So if you want to build something like this, you can contact me in the description below. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Let me show you my search console for this website. So we are in the search console for this website. Look, we are almost getting about 7,000 impressions. This is within the last 24 hours. So let me go here and show you this website from here, 24th February. That is the month that I started building this website. It's not even up to 1 month old, and it's already getting about 7,000 impressions daily. Very impressive. If you find this video interesting, let me show you. This is the website, explodingbrands.co.uk. You can check it out. If you find this video interesting, like I say, smash the like button, and I'm going to be posting more interesting AI made websites and directories. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.